guys, it's Kristen with APO Creations. This video is part of the You Resin collaboration being hosted by Andy over at CCUK Resin and Michelle from Glitz and Glitter. Now, I lost the footage somehow. You know how we push the button and we think we're recording, we're not really, and then we hit to stop the record button and come to find out we weren't actually recording at all. Well, yeah, so what had happened was, anyway, so I am using these little round coaster thingies and these wooden coasters from Ikea. So I'm not gonna do this bottom part, but I am going to, because I dabbed, oh my gosh. I did sanded. What is my problem? I sanded this on each of the sides.
Clear off the table, turn the ring light on. I've been dreaming of this project since the break of dawn. Grab a plain white tumbler, it's time to prep. Sand it down smooth, follow every step. The glue is getting tacky, the base is looking right. We're about to turn a vision into something bright. At APO Creations, we make it shine. Mixing up the mica, crossing every mic, crossing every line. From the vinyl winding to the final pour, we're giving you the sparkle that you're looking for. From the coasters on the desk to the cups in your hand, the glittery is channeling all the land. Watch the mica swirl in a resin sea. Blue and violet shimmer just the way it ought to be. Got the rhinestones ready, placed one by one. Precision on the detail till the job is done. Got the vinyl cut deep, letters looking bold, turning every custom piece into creative gold. It's in the glitter rain, it's in the steady hand, building up a brand exactly like I planned. If it stays too long enough, I'll add a little glow. Welcome to the workshop, welcome to the show. APO Creations, where the handmade meets the heart.
All right, so what I'm going to try to do, because I want to put a UVDTF on the top of these before I put the resin on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to put UV resin in here to fill in those gaps. And so I put some of the Let's Resin jewelry tape to see if it will keep it from happening. So I just got to grab my UV lamp. Alrighty. All right, so what I ended up doing off camera is, because when I did it here, I don't know if you can see, but there we go, right here and right here and right here, there's a bunch of, well, it's like all over the place, but it like I had put it here and it just wasn't filling right, because there's still, this line keeps going underneath this. So I thought, all right, let me see if I can do it backwards. And I put the tape on the bottom and then filled it, but those bubbles that were in the bottom were already there. So then I just covered the top with UV resin, because I am going to be putting some stickers on these. This one is getting this sticker And yeah, that pretty much says it all for me. Just ask anybody that I work with. Okay, we'll do the taco method. Let me just make sure. And then what I'm going to do from here is put, when I'm done getting all of these situated, I am going to put a coat of regular resin, throw it in the G3 and be done. So I'm gonna keep working on these and I will be back. All right, so all I'm gonna do with these is put some UV on there. It doesn't have to be a real thick coat. I just want it to be covered. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you out a little bit because I need to take these. So I had already done this one. So on these ones, I'm just putting these little UVDTFs on here. Ah, okay. Yeah, these are from Temu. These ones are. Yeah, so on this one, this touched the inside of the lamp. Ooh, yuck. Ooh. I've just blinded myself again. Ugh, it's always something. There. Boom. Wouldn't even know. It's our little secret. I'm having so many issues here. But anywho, so these are those 4. And the ones like this, I have UVDTFs. So I don't like the way that the looks weird all of a sudden. Okay, so here, I'm going to scooch that one over there. So for this one, this is going to go over the edges. So, you know, but I couldn't resist. Ah. And I don't know if they'll all fall over the side or not, but all right, so this is 40 mils of the Cure Pro, and yes, there's a lot of bubbles in it. Teasing it to the edges. And don't forget, this video is part of the Would You Resin collaboration hosted by Andy at CCUK Resin and Michelle at Glitz and Glitter by Michelle. So be sure to check out all of the wonderful creations in the playlist. It's in my description. Check it out. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys for the next one. Bye-bye.